The 2017 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48. How do you go from this to this? By relocating the ignition and coil and by tucking the wires between the frame and the gas tank. And in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, it doesn't look like it, but I've got everything taped and organized. I did a test fitting with the new tank and it works. So the only issues are that I need to find out how much of the ignition cable I'm gonna need and how much of the coil cable I'm gonna need. So I can wrap this up, all the excess, so that it looks cool. DK Custom Products, coil, ignition, relocation kit. It comes with this awesome bracket that's gonna span the two bolts right there. So the coil is gonna snap right here, like such. So how much of this cable do I really need? And the ignition is gonna bolt right here to the side, like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bracket on, put the coil and the ignition on here, and then plug cables in, see how much I actually need.
And that's about it. Let me know what you think. I had to build the coil cables from scratch for the relocation kit. That video will be dropping soon, so be sure you're subscribed to the TSF channel so you don't miss it. Next up, the Outlaw High Flow 606 air intake by DK Customs. There will be a game delay on that one due to the holidays, and I may revisit the tank swap to deal with procedural issues that seem to set folks up for failure if not done correctly. In any case, be sure you're subbed, bookmark the TSF Harley 48 build playlist, and share with your friends. Thanks for stopping by the TSF garage today. We'll see you out there.